name, sir?
My name is Dr. Darlington Oji, JP, Caretaker Committee Chairman of Ikwerre Local Government.
All right, today you've just been screened, and confirmed, and as well sworn in as the citizen chairman of Ikwerre Local Government. What would be your pledge for this office that has been given to you?
Well, I want to thank the Almighty God for the privilege of being, taken among the millions in River State, particularly my local government, where we have so many broadened politicians. Yet I was unanimously taken by my people. My duty is very simple. I'm going to support the agenda of His Excellency, the Governor of River State. One is to make sure that there is peace in my local government. We will maintain that. Again, is to reach out to my people. We know that there are too many areas that are calling for attention. We will look at it. By the special grace of God, I've worked in Ikwerre Local Government as the last Chief of Staff of Ikwerre Local Government. So I understand the plight of my people and I will attend to them, God willing. My prayer is that this opportunity that is given to me, for me, is going to be cherished, is going to be held with two hands. I will not play with it. And my loyalty will be to my people and the people of River State.
Finally, we understood that it's a one family. How can you use this your office to reach out to some of the aggrieved persons to ensure that they come back home to the original house, the family where they belong?
Well, in political settings, people are bound or people are allowed to have individual differences. That is why we are a family, discussing all in what we believe. As long as I'm concerned, I will do everything to reach any person that will be willing to make sure we come back so that we can face our common political opponents. We don't have a problem. Misunderstanding can arise in a family. And by the special grace of God, we talk to people. There is no need killing each other. There is no need fighting. We are one people. We are one brothers. Our duty is to make sure that there is peace and harmony in River State so that there could be rapid development, just like the governor is doing. The governor has been adjudged as one of the best in Nigeria. So the only way we can achieve that is to give him support and dedication in the call to service. So I will reach out to people by the grace of God.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Morning.
For the reason of this interview, your name is Sophie.
My name is Honorable Orolosoma Peter Amachree from Asari Toru local government.
All right, today you have been screened, confirmed, and as well sworn into office of the citizen chairman of Asari Toru. What would be your commitment to the people of Asari Toru?
The truth is that the directive was given is total peace. That is what we want in River State. Because the whole world is looking at us. Our Excellency is performing. Everybody is seeing it. It's not by anything, but it's by the grace of God. It's wisdom that directs. So we all that are under him, we have to go to our various LGA to ensure that we keep peace and develop the local government. Thank you and God bless you.
I am Ambassador Marvin Yobana, the caretaker committee chairman for Kana local government area.
You have been screened, confirmed, and as well sworn in as the citizen chairman.
Yes.
What would be your commitment to the people of Kana as well?
Well, for me, the governor of River State, Sir Fubara, has simplified governance in the state. And his mantra is the people first. So in Kana local government, it's the same mantra we are using. Those projects, those things that concern our people, how to empower our people, how to ensure that our people are happy with governance, how our people can make input into governance. That is what we are about, to ensure that there's peace and security, and the basic responsibility of government is to provide the necessary environment for lives and property to strive, and to ensure that we protect lives and property. And that is what we are going to do in Kana. We are going to work with the security agents, we are going to work with the community leaders, both the youths and the elders, the CDC. We are going to work with all stakeholders to ensure that Kana is fully simplified first. Secondly, that the needs of our people are met, and that whatever the yearnings of our people are, we bring it to the government at the center. So this is what I'm going to do in Kana. We don't have anybody that's either we are saying this one is our enemy or not. Sir Fubara's government is open for all. It's a simplified movement for all the people of River State. So definitely we are not looking at party barriers in this. We're not looking at ethnic barriers. Those who live and do business in Kana, even if you are not from Kana local government, you are welcome to come in and make input, and we are going to ensure that whatever we can do as a council, we are going to do it.
First of all, I want to appreciate His Excellency for this wonderful opportunity being given to me. And I also want to thank my people for giving me the opportunity to serve them. As you all know, the governor is a peace-loving man whose watchword is peace. On that same note, we want to carry on as being appointed as the caretaker chairman of our LGA. It's our utmost desire that our people enjoy the peace they've enjoyed over the years. And I also want to call on our people to remain peaceful and resolute, without minding the level of intimidation we've gotten from the other side. And as we assume office, we'll work out templates and all it takes to ensure that peace and stability is in the LGA.
Thank you so much. So did you get it?
Okay, my name is Honorable Promise Reginald, the caretaker chairman of our local government.
You got it?
Yes.
Other Cookey-Gam, newly sworn in chairman of Nkoro local government.
Okay, you've been there before, you are going back to continue what you know how to do best. The governor gave you some charges. One, ensure peace. Then two, carry everybody.
Well, let me say for the first charge is it has been our obligation to the fact that without peace we can do nothing. In as much as my national promises during my first tenure is concerned, the number one on that list was peace and security. I can assure you that peace is our watchword, which we are going to work towards it. And to also put it on record straight, Opopo Nkoro has been the most peaceful local government in Rivers State that stands to be challenged. So I can assure you we'll continue to maintain that peaceful atmosphere. For empowerment, I think this is a little case of test because it is an interim or a caretaker, this in a committee. I believe our watchword is to see how we can also alleviate the suffering of our people. We know the economic challenges this time around in the country, and we believe this is an opportunity to reach out to people. We have done enough on human capital development, on infrastructural development. I think we should talk about stomach infrastructure this time around.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Not too much question.
Well, my priority, like I said, is the people's first. And
Okay. Sorry, I will hold it for you. I know you are, yeah. Good day. I am Princess Ibiene Ogan, caretaker committee chairman, Okrika local government. Today is the day we've been screened as well as sworn in for us to take on our official duties and roles. We're going to take on the charge. I especially and all my members are going to take on the charge, especially as His Excellency directed. We're going to create an atmosphere of peace, so important to His Excellency, peace, peace and peace, as well as prosperity and everything for our people. Thank you. You're a woman and Matter of fact, in my LGA, I'm called the mother of children. The reason is because every year I do 500 children back to school, giving them free school bags, books, and certain things that they need for their school life. So children, this is your enjoyment time because I'm going to focus a lot on the children development. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Well, it's not longer, for the records, my name is Right Honorable Vance Bapa Kabiaye Nimibo Fori BP. I once represented the Gubele constituency for 12 years. Today, Governor found me so worthy. Out of 1 million persons in Ogubolo, and asked me to man the affairs of the local government area. It's no longer a news or a rumor that Ogubolo is the most peaceful local government area in Rivers State, if not the entire Nigeria at large. It's there for people to see, and the local government itself is there to attest to himself. Ogubolo is the most peaceful, and I'm going to sustain that peaceful coexistence. I make sure we carry everybody along, irrespective of the party you belong, because one will say simplified movement, Rivers first. We are talking about thinking about the people, not our personal interests. It is the people we are talking about. the governor is after the people, and I'm going to reciprocate same to my local government area. Because when you think of the people, you think of development, you think of peace, you think of other things that will make the place look so governable. I can assure you, as a mouthpiece of the people, because the press is a mouthpiece of the people, that Ogbolo is going to be more peaceful like ever. And we are going to carry everybody along as being directed by the governor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.